Hello the glam babes, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time stopping by, you're welcome, sweetie darling. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply your foundation so it stays matte all day long. So stay tuned you guys. Beginning, I'm just going in with my milk of magnesia. The milk of magnesia looks a little bit dry and thick you guys right now because I've had it for about a year, so it's about normal. It begins to dry up. Yeah, so right now I'm just setting my T-zone area. This is a must. You must do this, especially if you have like oily skin, in order to keep your foundation last all day long. Going in with my Super Stay by Maybelline 24-hour full coverage foundation. I like using this foundation you guys when I'm going in for a very mattifying look and also a makeup look which will last me all day. Right now I'm just going in with my MAC brush to blend in this foundation into my skin. I prefer you use a brush because the brush doesn't soak up too much of your makeup product. Meanwhile, when you use a beauty blender, it absorbs the makeup. So yeah. Don't forget to get the ear. That's done. Moving on to concealer. I'm just going in with my Elegant Pro concealer, applying that on my T-zone area. Oops, that happened. Ensure not to press your concealer so hard to avoid that from happening, okay? So yeah. Right now I'm just blending that concealer with my damp beauty blender. I had too much concealer you guys. I applied a lot, but anyway I'm gonna blend that out. So you see that when I blend the concealer, I go back in with my foundation brush and kind of like adjust the edges. Wow, that's way too much concealer. You guys don't apply too much concealer like me, okay? Like you're gonna sweat to blend it. So right now I'm just setting my face using my Sasha buttercup, as you already know. I first of all start by setting my face. When I finish setting, then I move on to baking. You must bake, okay? You have to bake. If you want your foundation to last all day, you have to bake. It's a must. So don't be scared of powder. Just ensure that when you put it, you blend it in properly. Don't be scared to apply too much powder because that's your friend for this kind of makeup look, you know. It really helps your concealer from moving, and yeah. Right now I'm just defining my jawline with that same powder. Going in with my all-purpose face kit, I'm just going in with that shade right there to contour my face. I'm not doing a cream contour today you guys, so I just use that powder right there to contour the areas which I would like to contour. You guys, I was feeling myself in this video. Oh my gosh. Anyway, going in with that powder now, I'm just using that to dust off any excess powder on my face, any excess powder from baking. I'm just using that to dust off the powder. And as you can already tell, I already did my eyebrow and my eye look. I'm not gonna apply lashes today. I don't just feel like it, so bear with me, okay? Don't come for me. Like I said, I was feeling myself in this video. Don't spoil the mood. I'm using that powder shade right there to define my nose and still bronzing up my face. You guys, it's voice over today. I don't understand myself. Oh. Anyway, just take it the way it is. Going in with that big powder brush, I'm just using that to dust off any excess powder, to blend everything together into my skin, get rid of any harsh lines and so on and so forth. Right now I'm just setting my face. You want to set your makeup, okay, you need to set your makeup to get rid of all the ashiness and all the powder. I'm going in right now with that highlighter right there. I'm just using that as highlighter for today. You can see the glow. It's glowing, it's glowing. You're cute though. So using my ring finger, I'm just applying some of the highlighter on my nose. Going in with that blush palette, I'm just using that to blush up. Going in with my inner tear duct area, I'm going to apply some more of that highlighter. Just combing my eyelashes with my mascara to give it a little bit of definition, okay? Even though we're not putting eyelashes today, we still need to look good. So I'm just lining my lips right now with my MAC pencil. Then now applying my matte liquid lipstick. I was going in for an all matte look today, you guys, so everything is matte. Then I go back in with one of my lip brushes to blend in that lip liner and the lipstick together. Oh my god, what's happening to me? I was feeling myself in this video, but this voice over. Anyway, this is a finished look, you guys. Hope you enjoyed this makeup look or this foundation routine. This is how I do my foundation for it to last all day. Make sure you follow the steps and you will not regret it, okay? I'll catch you all in my next video. Bye guys.